Welcome to Rama Science World. My dear students, today I would like to tell about lightning. The clouds in the air acquire charge on the surface due to friction with the particles of air. The surface area of the cloud is very large. The accumulated charge on the surface is very high. When a charged cloud comes close to the another cloud, is induced an opposite charge on them later. The accumulated charge tries to move from one cloud to another cloud. The air between them is pure conductor of electricity is resist the flow of charge between them. But the magnitude of the charge on becomes very large. Air, which is normally pure conductor of electricity, is no longer able to resist their flow. Hence, electrical discharge takes place between negative and positive charge, which produce streaks of light and sound we see as a lightning. Thank you very much.